Good day, good day, good day, divergence traders. Although I wouldn't, I wouldn't call it very divergent, but it is. It is. They keep ruining every fucking day. They keep doing this shit, doing this news shit, and spiking it up or spiking it down. 150, 200, 300 fucking ticks. They keep ruining the fucking charts every fucking day now. Just sucks. Sorry, I know I sound like a complainer here, but that's what they're doing. The bastards. So we have, this is a 2-minute chart, by the way. And this is a high and where would I draw this from? I think it's up here. Let's see. We'll put one of these on. It's down here. Looks fucking level, doesn't it? But it's not. I'll show you that it's not. That's where it lines up from there. Right down to that little blue doodah. If you see that little blue doodah, yeah, that's the divergence, man. That's it. So he would have got in short right in there. Boom. And it went down. And I done this trade, and I did good. I got out somewhere down here. I got out. It was good. Oh, now what are you going to do after you've been slowly grinding the fucking dog up the fucking hill? Now you're going to roll over. All right. You bastards. This is a 2-minute chart, eh, ladies and gents? Okay. Let's see. There's definitely divergence up here. Will it keep going? I don't fucking know. That's the isn't that the ultimate puzzle? The ultimate part of the puzzle is that you know when to get in, but where the fuck do you get out? That's the problem. That's the fucking problem. Okay. Come on, you little bastard. Right in here. Will she go down? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. There's the divergence. Remember, we're in a strong bull trend. Is it really going to turn around now and roll over and come all the way down here? After they drag the dirty dog's ass up the fucking hill here? Huh? I don't know. I don't know if they're going to do that. Because they could possibly take it down here, dig up some more fucking, sellers, and take it up and steal your money. That's what they might be doing. Never know. It's moved so crappy today, so slow. Do you really trust it? I don't fucking trust it, and it'll probably work. They'll probably smash it down to here again, down to 18,500. They proved their point. They took it to 600 right here. Now they're going to take it to fucking back to 500 or 450 or 400. Who knows? But gotta wait and see. Okay, let's pause this for a sec. All right, we're back. Okay, so on here, this is the five minute NASDAQ chart on MetaTrader 4. And this is where I could only see, the divergence here. Forget the spike. I forget about the spikes now because they're just such bullshit. I don't know what else to say. So anyway, so you take this down like this, boom. And there was the sell. You still would have done good in the 10 minutes here. And then, okay, we had another trade on the 5 minute, and it's right here. Okay. There it is. One's going up, one's going down. It's hidden divergence. and we would have got long right in there, and it was a beautiful trade. It went up 90 points. La-di-da. See, it's going back up again. Don't trust that trade. See, you see on the 2-minute is telling you to sell, but you see on the 5 here is telling you all the way up. Don't fucking sell, because if you would have sold just now on that trade I just showed you on the 2-minute, I bet you it's looking now, it's going to new highs. It's going to go above, you know, the 600 price, but that's not the price on here because the motherfucker is MetaTrader and they're off by over 100 pips. Okay, but along the way we had, let's show these trades. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And another lower close, buy it, up it goes. And here's, appears to be another one. Right here, right now, buy it and up it goes. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. And we'll see what it freaking did. We have that same kind of trade here, higher highs. Okay, just like that. And there she goes to new highs. And down here, it didn't really go down that much now, did it? No, it was basically a sell trap. It was to get you short. So then, that trade, I would call it a loser because it didn't get its 1-to-1 win-loss ratio right here. Our stop would have been there. Your entry would have been there. It never went down far enough to give you the 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. So the only other trade is it's basically the same as the NASDAQ. Hidden divergence like that. Okay, and we'll use this one. Oh, come on now. There. There's your divergence to buy it up. So you had a bot in there and it went up, all the way up. You had a couple lower close, buy it up it goes also in here. There was 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. And they all would have worked. See, that's the fun thing about trading these, you know, lower close, buy it, higher close, sell it setups, because the lines just establish themselves. They already make up your mind. It's not like you got to go, huh? Right in here, you got to go like, huh? Is it going up or is it going down? Well, these lines would have told you that you could only buy, so it eliminates half your risk, half your guessing of what the fuck is going to happen. But like I told you, which other people think is funny, the 5 is above the 7. That only means you can buy. You can't sell. You'll get burned, right? And when the 5, this white line, is below the 7, okay, you can only sell. Yeah, that's it. So anyway, I'm going to show this today because this guy was asking, oh, what are those moving averages? Barry is his name. So let me show you what they are, okay? 100% free. Nobody wants to give any little bit of support to my channel. Nobody. It's so sad. I do all this work every day, spend half an hour, pour my trading knowledge out to all of you, never ask you for a thin dime, and nobody wants to give a little support and buy the rest of the information that I don't talk about here on the chart. So anyway, are you listening, Barry? We're using the 7 exponential on the close, shift 1. Okay? Without the shift 1, you're not going to create what I got here, okay? Shift 1. And the 5 is 5 exponential on the close, shift 0. Okay. You got it now, Barry, and everybody else has got it. Okay. And yeah, If you want the rest of the good stuff, like the Osma, I have it. It's you know, it's different from the Osma they supply on the MetaTrader platform. I also have it for NinjaTrader. I also have it for MetaTrader 5. So if you would like to support my channel and my work here to help you guys be better traders, you can pick up a copy. It's very cheap, very, very reasonably priced. Only $77. Okay? If you'd like to support my work, I would really, really appreciate it. All right, let's move on now to the next one. Okay, what do we got here? Well, we got a big spike up like the other ones. There's divergence right here, but guess what? It doesn't work all the time now, does it? No, it doesn't. It sure did look like it would work, but no, they took her down, but not far enough. So there was no trade here. Well, there was, but it was a loser. It was a freaking loser. And then there's no trade here either. This double bottom from here to here and buy it and up it goes. There's no trade there either. Can't have a trade all the time, right? That's right. So we have a lower close right here, buy it, and eventually it went up and you were good. So that was your trade today, was right here. Oh, we had another trade. Hold on. Hold the horses. Whoa, horsey, whoa. Okay, right here, we had a buy fake and it came back and you would have sold in here somewhere and took your money, okay? That was a hook down. That's why I put an X on there. I call it the hook down. So we have the hook ups and we have the hook downs. And we have lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay, let's move on now to the pound dollar. Oh, pound is good. Looking good, looking good. All right. Okay, so we had higher highs, just like that. Very easy divergence spot, you know, to spot it. Very easy. And you could have done well. You would have got in right there and it went down 30 points. That's all you need. 1 or 2 contracts, $300, $600, and you're fucking done for the day. That's probably more than your daytime job. Yeah. And then right in here, we have another one. We can't let this one go. It is hidden divergence. Okay. Right here to right there. Okay. And we would have got long right in here. Boom. And it went up 42 pips. Okay? Which is really fucking good. 2 magnificent trades. Really good. Really good. Did we have divergence over here too? Yeah. Probably. Oh yeah, right here. Ding, 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 ding. Sell it. Down it goes. Okay? Let's check out the Euro USD. Oh, same trades. Just a little different. Yeah, just like that. And like that. And yeah, we got short right there. It's also a higher close, sell it down it goes. There's 23 pips on the euro. That's good for the euro. And then we had the same trade. See, same same deal. Oh, why is that? I don't know. Oh, that's crazy, man. Crazy world. We're in a crazy trading world. Okay. Right here. Boom. 30 points right there. And we have a lower close, buy it, up it goes. There, that's it for those trades. Is there any other trades? Let's see. Oh yeah, there is, but you couldn't have done it. But I'll just mark it on the chart for you. Right here, we have like, yeah, it's like that, low and lower lows. And right from here up into here, see? Right there. And where are you going to buy it? It's fucking racing up at 200 miles an hour. Okay? Yeah. Where would you get in? Well, if you got in on a dip, you're willing to chance it and say you bought it right here, on the dip. Well, you done well. You done well. It went back up like 16 pips. Okay? And never came back to the stop. That's the beauty of all the divergence trades, is it not never, but almost never comes back to your stop. When you sold it here, right, the stop would be here. Did price come back up there before it went down here and hit your stop? No. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, ma'am. What about over here? If you got in long here, you always put your stop at the recent swing low. This was the recent swing high for this trade. This is the recent swing low for this trade. Did it come back and get your stop? No, it kept going up. Why is that? I don't know. I'm still baffled by it today. And I've been looking at these fucking divergence charts since like 2011. Yeah, and I was looking for divergence even before that in 2007. Okay? Now, when I started looking for it, it was easy, you know, most of the divergence you look for. But I couldn't find it. I could only find it after the fact. So I kept going and I kept going until I finally found it. And then I still didn't know how to get in before it occurred. I had to learn this from somewhere, which was another trader friend of mine. He's also another Canadian from Alberta. That's all I'm going to say. Not going to mention his name. I'm sure some people know him. Oh, yeah. He's well known just like me, back from 2009. Yeah, that's when I put out my first trading system. And it was very successful and sold over, how many was it? Over 3,000 of them all over the world. And people just praised, you know, my system back then. But, that's nothing. Bits and pieces of that system are in this, what you see right here, what I talk about every day. But the divergence is 10 times fucking better than that system that was called Forex Pipsnagger back then. So I'm giving you people the best of the best here, okay? For free. Please support the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Let's move on. Now pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Oh, pound yen really. Oh, that's on the 15. That's why it looks so messy. Okay, here we go. Probably had divergence in over here. Yeah, we did. From here to here. And from here. Yeah, see, right to there. Doesn't have to go to the next, you know, blue one, you know, positive on the OSMA. It doesn't have to go there. It can be before that. And this was the entry right here. And down it went. Stop loss right here at the near swing high. And it went down 44 pips. Okay? Very, very small stop that you had to use. But let me ask you a question now. Your stop was right here at the top of this wick, and it wouldn't be a pip higher or a pip lower. That's where the stop goes. Let me ask you. When you sold it right here, if you would have done this trade, did the price come back up here to your stop loss? No, it didn't. It came down and gave you what you were looking for. And then we had another setup in the UK session right here. If you're going to trade the pound, anything pound, you really want to trade it in the UK session. That's all I can say. It moves in the US session too, but let's see, is this divergent or am I seeing things? Yeah, it's divergent, I think. If not, we'll tweak it a little bit. Oh, shit. I don't think it's divergent. Aw, come on. No, we can't tweak that one. There's no divergence there. I know I take it down to the microscopics here, but that's the way you got to look at it. And even though it isn't divergent, it still worked out. It still worked out, ladies and gentlemen. You would have got long right here. This criteria still was fulfilled, okay, right here, meaning you could buy it and up it goes. Okay, you don't have to always have divergence, okay? You can just have a crossover. I know people are going, oh fuck, he's fucking telling me to trade a when one moving average crosses the other. Yep, that's what I'm telling you. I've been seeing this for years. I would know that this trade would work. I would buy right near. I really would. If I was present at the time when it happened, I would have bought right there. It's just a little off and went a little bit too deep right here to make this side of the swamp over here, connect with everything else to be divergent, okay? It didn't do that. So anyway, it would have been a winner. And then we rolled over and played dead and came down and chopped everybody up. And then why did it chop everybody up in here? Because there was news at 8:30. That's why. And it fucked all the charts up right here. So then we have one more trade, I believe. Yes, right here. High and higher high. And right there. And it got you short right in there. And what did it do? It came down nicely. There's 40 pips right there on the pound yen. Gotta love it. Okay, let's move on to the euro yen. I'm sure it looks the same. Yeah, it looks the same. See that? Not going to go over those again. I already did. It's the exact same trades almost. Same with this one too, but I'll draw this one on here. And you would have got short right in there. And as you can see, it went down and gave you the pips. Nothing like getting the pips. Let's take a look at oil now. Today, let's see what it did. Oh, a little crazy. There's some divergence on here right now. I already see it. And you guys would go, wow. You're probably going to go, wow, how did he see that? How did he fucking see that? Lots of experience. There it is. It's not a humdinger of a trade, huh? That's fucking awesome, man. Sell right there on the open. Boom, down it goes. And not only that, okay, hold on. Let me get this right here. Is it right there? Yeah, this one might be to the next one. Good enough, good enough. Good enough. But look what we have here. Yes, we have one more, ladies and gentlemen, right here. A low, a retracement, and a lower low, right down like that. Look at that beautiful thing, eh? That's like a beautiful blonde lady with blue eyes. Oh, yeah. Most traders would be confused in here. Holy fuck, look, is it going up? Is it going up? No. Oh, now it's going down. Fuck. They'd be buying right here and down here. They'd be going, fuck. And then they'd smash it right through here. And the traders would be going, fuck. What happened? I was buying and it went down and it got burned. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. But what did it do here with the divergence? Oh, it told you what to do, man. It told you what to do. Buy right there. get in long. Your stop is down here. 72 ticks on oil, and it rallied back up. 95 cents. Man, it rallied right back up again. Isn't that awesome? Look at these trades, man. Boom, winner. Boom, winner. Yeah. Actually, no, it's boom here, winner. Then another one, winner. But let me ask you now. Let me ask you. If you sold it right here, did the price come back up to here where your stop was at the recent swing high? No, sir. No, ma'am. Now, when it came down here and you got long in here, did the price come back down and hit your stop at the nearest swing low? No, sir. No, ma'am. No. It did what you wanted it to do. It gave you the money. Gave you the money, man. Okay, let's take a look now at gold. Fook, are you here? Listen up. Oh, look at gold today. Woo-wee. They fucked people badly. But it did have a trade here. Let me show you here from here. I don't know, maybe from in here, somewhere in there, right to there, okay? And from there up into there, like that. Okay? So what you would have had to have done was to buy a pullback right in here, just like on that other instrument I showed earlier today. Right there, somewhere in here, it would have been a, you would have got something out of it. You would have got something out of it. And then this one's a little tricky, okay? Right here came up and bounced off this, resistance line, R3, whole bunch in here, see? That's like a double top, okay? And down here, we would draw the divergence right down like that. You would have sold it right in there. Just like oil. Same kind of trade. Same deal, a little bit different. Okay? Would have got short right in there. And down it went. 170 points, ladies and gentlemen. 170. That's fucking awesome. This is gold. Yeah. And then what do we have? So we have there's no divergence here to buy in here like the other thing, like the oil. This is the gold. Well, you could have traded a crossover, as crazy and as silly as it sounds. You could have bought right in there. Right there. And up it went. 90 points, and our stop was basically 90 points right there. Okay? Now, let me ask you this question one more time. When you bought it in here, just because the 5 is crossing up above the 7, did the price come back down right here where your stop would have been placed? No, sir. No, ma'am. No way, Jose. It went in your favor all the way up. And how much, if you would have held on to it, say up to about there, there's 210 points, ladies and gentlemen. Gold was a beautiful trade today. I hope you got some, Fook. Anyway, for all the new people listening, when I come to gold and I say Fook, he's a guy from Malaysia. He's one of my students. He supported me. I really appreciate that, Fook, more than you could ever know. And yeah, he knows. He knows this stuff works. He's a believer. He's one of my students. So anyway, that's it for today. But let's look at Bitcoin. Let's see what it did. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin's on a rise. A rise back up. Is it going back up to 207 or 700? No. What the fuck is the price up there? I can't even think to read what it is. 72,900. 73,000. Is it going back to 73,000? Or are we coming back down here to 57,000? Wait and see. And what about XRP? Just going up a little bit. Just fucking around. And Ethereum, yeah, it's just coming back a little bit. So anyway, once again, I'm stuttering here. Once again, I want to, this is Jason Sweezy here, the Divergence Trader, and I want to thank you all for watching my channel and all my setups that I have, that like these lower close, buy it up it goes, are my hook downs and hookups. Nobody else has that. They just call it something else if they happen to do the same trade, because it's just buying a dip in the market. That's all it is. But there's more to it. We're waiting for a candle to close before we get into our entry, right? All my setups is on the close of a candle in the right place on the chart, of course. So anyway, let me finish this now. So anyway, thank you so much for coming out and watching the show and listening. I really appreciate it. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button, that'd be good. And if you haven't subscribed and you're a new, follower of my stream, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, okay? Okay, have a good afternoon. Trade safe, good luck, and good trading.